Jimdo and HubSpot CMS, both popular choices for building your online presence, but when it comes down to it, which one really delivers? On one side, you have Jimdo, a user-friendly website builder designed for simplicity. On the other, HubSpot CMS, a robust platform packed with marketing tools and customization options. We're testing them in real-life scenarios that matter, from ease of use, flexibility, and features to pricing, performance, and support. Forget the marketing jargon. Let's dig into the real experience. We'll give out points in each category, so by the end, you'll know exactly who stands out. And trust me, the winner might surprise you. Let's get into it. Here's a quick peek at our comparison map. So we're going to look at price because, wallets matter, ease of use, nobody likes headaches, customization, and integrations. How much can you actually do? Marketing and SEO. If people can't find your site, what's the point? Scalability for when you need to go bigger. And finally, support and community. Because help is everything when you're stuck. Sound good? Let's start at the top. Alright, starting off with price. Jimdo? It's honestly super budget friendly. We're talking a low monthly cost and, this is kinda nice. There's even a free plan for basic sites. Not gonna lie, that's a big win if you're just testing the waters. Downside? As your business grows, you might feel a little boxed in since scaling options are pretty limited. Now, HubSpot CMS comes in swinging with those big enterprise features and all-in-one automation, but yeah, you pay for it. The pricing is premium and, something to note, there's no free plan for their CMS. So in this round, Jimdo definitely takes the crown if you're watching your budget. Next up, ease of use. Jimdo is like the drag and drop playground, literally no coding needed, so if tech isn't your thing, you'll love it. But if you want to get fancy, you'll hit some walls. HubSpot CMS? Well, they've got professional templates and it's set up to be easy for marketers. But honestly, the initial setup? It's kind of complicated. There's a bit of a learning curve if you want to go all out. So yeah, for pure simplicity, Jimdo's got the advantage here too. Now, let's chat about customization and integrations. This is where things shift. With Jimdo, you can do quick designs and plug in the essentials, but honestly, app options are pretty few, and if you're a developer or someone who wants to get more advanced, it's limited. HubSpot CMS, though, really opens the floodgates. You get full access to custom code, developer tools, and there are literally hundreds of integrations. Sure, it might be a little overwhelming if you're just starting out, but if you want flexibility, this is where HubSpot CMS totally wins. Oh, and here's something cool most folks don't know. Jimdo was actually built in Germany, while HubSpot was born out of Boston. That's like almost 4,000 miles and two totally different tech cultures. Just a fun tidbit to keep in mind before we dive back in. On to marketing and SEO. Jimdo gives you the basics, basic SEO settings, and some social media tools. It's fine if you're keeping it simple. But if you want serious marketing muscle, their analytics are pretty limited and there's no advanced automation. Now, when you look at HubSpot CMS, this is kind of their thing. Built-in CRM, advanced SEO features, personalization, A/B testing, powerful analytics, the whole 9 yards. Only catch? Some of those juicy features need a more expensive plan. Still, marketing-wise, HubSpot CMS walks away with this one. Right, scalability. How big can you go? Jimdo is awesome for small or maybe medium businesses, but as soon as you're pulling in tons of traffic or you're dreaming up some big complex site, it starts to strain. HubSpot CMS, on the flip side, is made to handle enterprise level stuff. Secure, fast, supports multiple languages, handles big spikes. It's almost overkill if you just need a portfolio, honestly. But in the growth department, HubSpot CMS owns this round. Finally, support and community. With Jimdo, you do get solid email support and the docs are easy to follow, but there's no 24/7 help and the community is, kind of small. HubSpot CMS, if you want priority support, upgrades, super detailed documentation, or a huge crowd of users and developers to bounce ideas off of, you're covered. The only thing is, the best support sometimes does come with an extra cost. Still, HubSpot CMS is hard to beat here for sure. So, before I share my final thoughts, let's look at both side by side. See the radar chart? Jimdo kind of spikes in price and ease of use, while HubSpot CMS dominates when things get complex. Customization, marketing, scale, support. It paints a pretty clear picture of their strengths, right? Personally, if you just want to get a site up fast and cheap and you don't want to mess with anything complicated, Jimdo is honestly perfect. But if you're serious about growing your marketing, need analytics, CRM, the whole digital marketing stack, and you've got the budget, HubSpot CMS is basically waiting for you. It's like choosing between a reliable little hatchback and a fully loaded race car, depends on where you want to drive. If this comparison helped clear things up for you, go ahead and follow for more smart web insights. I've got a ton more breakdowns coming your way.